Now, in this classwork, you were given the following information. On the 1st of May 2020, T-Yuan balance in the debtors ledger of various stores was 2,800. Basically, that's how much T-Yuan was owing us on the 1st of May. This account is long overdue. Very received 35 cents in the rent from the estate of T-Yuan as she was insolvent. Firstly, you will have to take the total amount that is owed by T-Yuan, which is 2,800, multiplied by 35 cents. That represents what we have received and what will be recorded in the cash receipts journal. And obviously, once you have found the 980, which is the 35%, the remaining 65% is what we need to write off. And 65% of 2,800 will be 1,820. And this is the amount that must be written off and will be recorded in the general journal as bad debts. We will start with the voucher number, which is 1. The day will be 01. And you start with the account that will be debited, and the account to be debited will be bad debts. And the amount that relates to that account that has been debited will be written on the debit side as 1,820. The credit entry, which must be written slightly to the right, will be the name of the debtor, and that is T-Yuan. The amount relating to that account will be written on the credit side as 1,820. Write the narration, which is account written off as a bad debt. That amount which relates to T-Yuan, the name of the debtor, will be recorded on the credit side of your debtors control because it also reduces your debtors control. It reduces T-Yuan's account in the debtors ledger. That's why we credit it, but it will also reduce your debtors control in the general ledger by 1,820. The amount of 980 will be recorded in the cash receipts journal. I will write receipt number 1. Day will be 01. It was received from T-Yuan. It will be written under bank as 980 and then under receipts under your debtors control. Now, in your debtors control, I said already you have a balance brought down of 20,000. You will reduce it by the amount that was written off, which is 1,820, and decrease your debtors control by total receipts plus discount allowed. In this case, it will just be bank, and it comes from the CRJ. The amount will be 980. Then you can find your balance brought down or balance carried down. This was just a rough working. You don't have to complete the entire thing. Now, under your bad debts is an expense. It increases on the debit side. It will increase by debtors control, and the amount for bad debts will be 1,820. T-Yuan's account. At the beginning of the month, T-Yuan was owing us 2,800. It will be reduced by what was received as a payment, which is receipt number 1 from the CRJ. Because this is debtors ledger, it will decrease on the credit side, and it will decrease by 980. Now, 2,800 minus 980 will give a new balance of 1,820. But that 1,820 as a whole, it was written off as bad debts, and that was from the general journal. We will record it on the credit side as 1,880. At the end, T-Yuan will be owing us nothing because T-Yuan has been written off. All right. Next time, we'll be dealing with withdrawals of merchandise or other items by the owner. Thank you for watching. Ke leboha ho menahane. Kgotso.